Hello everyone, how are you? This is Kay. Good to see you. Thank you very much for joining another live stream of my YouTube. Today is the 29th of October and this is on Tuesday. So today another a bit shorter live stream about 30 minutes. So I'm here to screen charts and see what's happening among the markets. But before I start, I just wanted to announce that regarding the free KTS course that I announced a few days ago, due to some system issues, it's been postponed. So at the moment, I just how to say, I closed the website, closed the link, and so you cannot really join at the moment. When I did test pilot, it was working well, but when I actually launched in public, then there were some issues, technical issues. So whoever joined the KTS free academy, KTS free course, sorry for the inconvenience, but please wait for a few more days until I fully fix the issue. Then I will officially announce the link again on YouTube. So please wait for a few days and sorry for the inconvenience. Still, I see some new members signing up the free course, although I closed everything. So please wait for me for a few days, and that will be great. And also, October class GTS is now in place, and January 2025 GTS is now open. So if you like to master my strategy fully, then feel free to reach me, and I can share more details about the course. So yeah, today's live stream is a bit starting early timing, so I don't really expect many people to join, but whoever watches this archive also, I just wanted to say hi and thank you for your support continuously on my YouTube channel. So let me switch screen to trading view, and so this week I am actually checking the JPY pairs actually, because they are still trending up in my view. So let me first scan the charts on the daily time frame on the JPY pairs and see what's happening among the markets. So first of all, Euro JPY looks still nice to me because I broke, this is daily time frame, and Euro JPY broke the Kumo, and now it's bullish. Monday it broke the Kumo, and also there was a long Senko span B, which was on 164.94, and it broke bullish on Monday yesterday, and today it's still doji, but it didn't come down yet. So still to me it's bullish, and my ultimate target is 175.45, and from where the price is right now, it's almost like 1,000 pips. So that's ultimate target. So Euro JPY looks one of the very nice pairs to monitor this week. I've seen some pound pairs or AUD pairs are a bit ranging, but JPY pairs looks nice. So that's what I'm basically monitoring right now closely. And also I'm monitoring pound JPY. Pound JPY also broke the Kumo long time ago, a couple of months ago actually, and then now it's still above the resistance levels, and it's reaching to the target. And today is bullish bar. In the market is now on 199.41, and it's reaching to the run number of 200 anytime soon. So pound JPY, my ultimate target is also swing high, which is all the way up here, 208.115, and the ultimate target pips is 947 pips. So pound JPY to me is continuously bullish. So I'm looking for some opportunities still. So that's the second market I'm really focusing on this week. And another one I focus this week is USD JPY. USD JPY to me is still bullish because it broke the Kumo, and before it broke the Kumo, it was bounced on the Tenkan-sen. Then Kumo breakout happened, and today is a bullish bar. Yesterday was doji, so once the doji breakout happens within this week, then I think the market reaches 155.21, and from where the price is right now, we have room of, let's see, about 162 pips to trade. So this one is also another good pair to monitor this week. So basically I'm mainly focusing on Euro JPY and Pound JPY and also USD JPY. But I scan the chart every time, like 3 times per day. I scan all these markets on my watch list, and whenever I see better opportunities than these 3 pairs, I do take them. But my main focus is these 3 pairs this week. Yeah, so it's really nice market right now. They're active, and they are really like trending nicely. So we can really focus on these markets recently. Forex pairs generally in October, November are active. So yeah, it's been quite nice to trade these days. This summer, the Forex markets are active, and that was unusual. So I thought maybe October or maybe November is going to be range, but yeah, looks like it's not. So yeah, let's continue monitor and look for more opportunities among the markets. Okay, so now let me say hi to everyone. Hello Matt, good to see you. Thanks for joining. All right, and Wisdom, good to see you too. Thank you for joining. And Ifif, good to see you too. Thank you for joining as well. And James, good to see you too. Thank you for joining. I'm good, thank you. I'm good. And okay, Matt says, kindly analyze HK50 and silver and Dow Jones. Okay, let me cover silver today. Okay, silver is also looking very interesting. So let me go to silver now. Commodity and XAG USD. And here is the daily time frame. This is silver daily time frame, and to me it's bullish still. My target was 35, and looks like, yeah, 22nd of October, last Tuesday, it reached almost, and then now retraced. And looks like this is still above the Tenkan-sen, and Chikou span above the candles too. Potentially this becomes a bounce, and again it tried to reach 35. So to me it's still bullish. It's a bullish trend, and the market was supported by the Kijun-sen twice and Tenkan-sen here also once. So yeah, I don't see any bearish sign yet. So together with gold, I think this XAG USD is also bullish to me. Kumo shape is also nice. It's getting thicker and bigger after this twist here. So yeah, Kumo is nicely thicker, bigger, and so this is another reason why I don't really see any retracement signs. And let me quickly check the weekly time frame too. The weekly time frame shows it's bullish. Kumo Senko span B flat, but Senko span A is up, and Kumo itself is getting thicker and bigger, like this way. And Kijun Sen is pointing up, and Tenkan Sen flat, but the price is above the Tenkan Sen and Chikou span above the candles. So definitely it's bullish market. Okay, let me say hi to some more people. Hello, Babak, good to see you. Thank you for joining. And Camilis, good to see you too. Thank you very much for joining. From Malaysia, good to see you. Alright, CSM says, this month I sold AUD-USD pair 4 times. All 4 times I lost because the price reversed. Quickly, please give me your review on it. If you have my rule is that if I lose 3 times, then I stay away from the market. So yeah, I think now that you know AUD-USD pair is, I think, spiky, or it's you have been losing over time. So that means you better look for some opportunities on other markets besides AUD-USD is my advice. Yep. So we're not here to revenge trade, right? We're here to make profits on any markets. So if AUD-USD is not the one for you, then you can simply choose other markets to trade. And also look into your entry and exit patterns or logics behind. Maybe you might want to backtest and see your strategy really works. And if it works, then you can apply it to the live market. So step by step it goes like that way. Okay. All right. Hello, Freddy. Good to see you. Thank you very much for joining today. So yeah, again, I already announced it, a bit earlier, but maybe you are joining newly. So let me re-announce about the free KTS course. Due to some technical issues, free KTS course is now temporarily closed. So the website is closed, the link is closed, so we cannot join now. And even if you join, you don't see the videos. So please wait for my announcement in YouTube officially after I fix the issue. Before I launched it a few days ago, I tested it myself and it was working well, and that's why I launched it public. And now in public it doesn't work, so I closed it again. So sorry for the inconvenience and confusions, but once I really fix it, then I will let everyone know. Then you can join the free course. Basically, the free course is about my overall strategy, how I came up with the idea of trend follow strategy mindset, then how I use Ichimoku to capture the market trends, and how I enter exit my trades, and how I do the stop loss, and how I exit with profit or loss, and also my mindset too. So there are total of 8 videos, and that's basically to capture overall understanding of my strategy. So then once you finish the free course, then come to this YouTube, then things will make much more sense to you. So that's why I was launching the free course, but it wasn't working well. So it's a trial and error process, always like Kaizen process. If it doesn't work, then simply close it, then perfect it, and try again. So if I'm alone, I'm totally fine, but I feel a bit, frustrated, especially because lots of people joined, but it didn't work. That's why I feel sorry for everyone. But I will fix it in a few days and let everyone know. So please wait for my updates. Okay, hello doctor, good to see you. Thank you for joining. And Brain, good to see you. Vidya, good to see you too. And Juris, good to see you from Latvia. Thank you for joining. All right. Please analysis BTCUSD. Okay. So BTCUSD seems to be a bit bullish now. Let me come to cryptos and BTCUSD. And this is a weekly time frame. And I was mentioning in the KTS Academy members that it was in descending channel, so it wasn't good to buy. But looks like now it broke the descending channel bullish, especially this week. So far it's a bullish bar. So from here, this may be the sign of the new bullish trend. However, Chikou span is still very close to the candles, so it may retrace anytime. You can buy, and you can buy and hold until the market reaches or breaks the resistance and goes. You can keep holding and run profits. But if the market comes back within the descending channel or coming back below the Tenkan-sen, then you better close the trade. Most likely after that will be range. But for now, it looks bullish. So finally, it starts moving again after almost half a year of range or retracing or consolidating. Now it started to move bullish. I expect lots of comments and questions about Bitcoin from this week in my YouTube. Okay, all right. Ifeani says, could you explain conditions when 4-hour Tenkan-sen line will hold the price and when price will break it? When the price breaks the Tenkan-sen, then when Kijun-sen is flat, most likely the market goes down to Kijun-sen. Like this is exactly where the market broke the blue Tenkan-sen. Then it goes down to Kijun-sen. This is weekly time frame, but it applies to any time frames. So that's most likely what happens when it breaks, when the price breaks the Tenkan-sen. Okay, hello Tuan, good to see you. Right, not fixed yet. The KTS free course is not fixed yet, so please wait for my announcement. Okay. All right. I am Patty. Good to see you from Kenya. Thank you for joining as well. Good to see you. Okay. Dr. MSTR, please. I am not really sure about MSTR, so can you please mention exactly what you want me to look at? Hello, Ko. Good to see you. Thank you for joining. And Danny says, hi, Keisan, gold consider still bullish. Gold is still bullish to me. Let me put up the gold chart. This is a weekly time frame and it's bullish, and I'm expecting the market to reach 2800. Yeah, you may think it's overbought, but to me it's not because of the Kumo shape simply. When the Kumo is not too thin, it's getting thicker and bigger now. So most likely it reaches 2800. Then it may retrace, right? So 2800 is the next run number, so that can be the target next. So gold is nicely up now. This is weekly, and let me check the daily time frame too. Yeah, the daily time frame is also bullish as it's above that Tenkan-sen and it's breaking the resistance now, or the all-time high now. It's renewing higher. So in this momentum, I think the market reaches 2800. Yeah, it's above the trend line, above the Tenkan-sen, Chikou span above the candles. So I do not really see any signs of retracement yet. Yeah, so far it's bullish to me. But you can actually check the weekly analysis on Sunday I did gold analysis in deeper level in time cycle too. So you can refer to that Sunday's live stream archive. Okay, yeah, and silver is also bullish to me, as I mentioned a couple minutes ago. As per request, silver is also bullish. What about WTI? WTI is okay, now it's bearish. The price is below Tenkan Kijun-sen Kumo and Chikou span below the candles on this weekly time frame. This is the P wave breakout bearish. And after the breakout of the P wave over here, it tested that Kijun-sen. Then now looks like it's the middle of the downtrend. So WTI crude oil is now bearish to me. Yeah, this market is not good to buy anymore. So, okay, doctor says MSTR is related to BTC. Okay, the company is putting BTC on their balance sheet. The weekly cloud is bullish but thin. It's up a lot. Oh, so that's a company name. All right, so I go to stock market and simply type MSTR and see if we can find it. Okay, this one under Nasdaq, is it? It's MicroStrategy Incorporation. Okay, let me check. Even this is the first time for me to check. It's also nice. Let me see. Okay, weekly cloud thin. That's right. Weekly cloud is now becoming very thin, so it's kind of like overbought now. And especially Tenkan-sen, Kijun-sen are together, so it's overbought. Yes, it's overbought. So the price can retrace anytime. So now the market's reaching 260, and it's going to 270, 280. So if I just look into exactly which prices the markets were reacting before, so the market reached 200 here on 25th of March this year, then retraced. So when it reaches 300, it may retrace. So in that sense, there's still room here, but yeah, I would say it's risky. It's become risky to trade for sure. And I'm sure this is all-time high, right? Yeah, it's all-time high. So after consolidating market of, let me see how many weeks it was. It was 28, 27 weeks, which is Kihon Suchi 26. So after 26 bars range, it went 1, 2, 3, 4 bars now. Previously, after the range breakout here, the market went 3 weeks, then consolidated. So this time, it's been bullish for the last 4 weeks. It's stretching up. It's a bullish trend. It's strong, but I would stay away. This is risky to trade, and you don't want to sell either because the market may go up again and then retrace suddenly. So it's risky on the weekly time frame. But let me check the daily time frame too. Daily time frame is better, not bad, because the Kumo is not too thin as compared to the weekly, and there is a gap between Tenkan-sen and Kijun-sen still, and the price seems to be bounced on the Tenkan-sen. There's only one day, which was 17th of October, when it became below the Tenkan-sen, but next day it came above the Tenkan-sen, and 23rd of October was bounced on Tenkan-sen, so it's bullish. So if you want to trade, the plan would be you enter buy, and once the market breaks the Tenkan-sen, you exit with a small loss. But as long as it doesn't break the Tenkan-sen, then of course it continues bullish and you can keep holding the trade. If I were to trade, that will be the scenario. But considering the weekly time frame again, can retrace anytime. So even if you buy and hold until the market breaks the Tenkan-sen bearish, still it's risky to buy at the moment. It's better to maybe wait for the retracement closer to Tenkan-sen and bounce and buy. That's a safer scenario, I think. Yeah, but this is interesting market. Something that we don't really see in Forex, like this kind of move. I mean, the pairs on my watch list are mostly like major pairs, so they don't move aggressively like this way. But yeah, that's a good point that you mentioned. The weekly cloud is thin. That's really true. Yeah, so Kumo shape is really important in your analysis. Yeah, doctor, you're welcome. It says it's an iteration situation because of the macroeconomics. Thank you for the breakdown. Oh, you're welcome. Yeah, you're welcome. I used to have FOMO. Like I used to feel FOMO when I saw the market all the way up and I didn't trade. I missed these potential, profits. But the markets are in the waves. So when it goes up, it goes down and goes up again. So there's always, next opportunity or another opportunities. So yeah, that's what I would do. Okay, hello Danny, you're welcome. Yeah. Restu says AUD-CAD please. All right, AUD-CAD is so here is a weekly chart. Weekly shows the market just touched the Kijun Sen on 0.9113. It's been bearish, and I think downtrend continues. But just remember that it touched the Kijun Sen, so from here it may consolidate or it may lose the downtrend momentum already. It may stop here and then consolidate, then goes down. Yeah, but to know that, let me check the daily time frame. So, okay, daily time frame shows there was a descending P wave and it broke bearish as expected. So now it's within the Kumo. Within the Kumo, and again 0.9113 is the weekly Kijun Sen, so it may range from here. So to be safer, it's better to wait for the Kumo breakout and sell. But it's bearish to me. It's bearish. So you can either sell now and keep holding, but when the market breaks Tenkan-sen bullish, you exit with a loss, or you keep holding a trade to downtrend. Okay, Julie says, do you use Mr. Hosoda's wave theory for entry and close of instruments? Yes, I do. Yes, I do use wave theory to capture the bigger picture of the market and also entry and exit too. Yeah. Hello, Mr. Fernandez. Good to see you. Thank you for joining. Welcome back. Thank you very much for the comment. So today I was starting the live stream a bit earlier timing, and now in few minutes I will be finishing the live. But earlier I was doing an analysis on few JPY pairs, which were Euro JPY, which broke the Kumo bullish, and now it's heading up now, and also Pound JPY, which is also bullish, and it broke the resistance level. It's actually on the resistance level, but I can see a strong bullish momentum from the Kumo shape, Kijun Sen being above the Kumo 2, and Chikou span above the candles. And also USD-JPY is bullish too. My target is now 155.21, and we have a room of about 160 pips to trade. So these are the three pairs I mainly explained today, but looks like the forex markets are active overall. So yeah, I think this is a time when you closely monitor and look for some opportunities to enter, exit the trades. Okay, Song says please analyze pound USD. Okay, pound USD, let me see. Pound USD. From the weekly perspective, it's on the Kijun Sen now. My view is still bullish, bearish, because it broke the support resistance levels bearish last week. So I think the price goes down, but it's safer to wait for the Kijun Sen breakout. So weekly Kijun Sen is 1.2940, and I prefer to wait for that breakout. And then I check the daily time frame, and 1.2940 is here. So it was also descending P wave on the daily, and it broke bearish 23rd of October last week. But after that, it didn't go down smoothly. Instead, it kind of consolidating, and it has been resisted by the Tenkan Sen, the blue Tenkan Sen. So still it's bearish, but it's now becoming range at the same time. So once the market breaks the Tenkan Sen bullish, then I don't feel comfortable to sell anymore. I prefer to choose other pairs to trade if that's the case. But so as long as price is below the Tenkan Sen and Ichimoku shows bearish, then I don't mind entering this market also this week and follow downtrend to target 1.28. And we have a room of more than 140 pips to trade on this one. So yeah, this market is a bit choppy also. Pound pairs these days are a bit choppy. So yeah, I think it's a bit challenging to trade. Well, pound pairs in general are a bit choppy, especially when the market opens in UK, becomes very aggressive usually. So the volatility increases and the market becomes a bit choppy. So you better have a good risk management skill to be able to trade and make profits on pound pairs. Okay, EQI says, hi K, do you enter trades at oversold or bought areas in stochastic or you wait? I do. Yes, I do enter trades. Let's say gold cross above 80, dead cross below 20, I still enter, exit my trades. Yeah. Okay, so I will be finishing the live stream. So again, like I mentioned before, in terms of the free KTS course, due to some technical issues, I closed temporarily. So you won't be able to join at the moment. So I'm sorry about the inconvenience, and I will fix the issue in few days, and I will officially announce when it's launched again. So then you can join again and enjoy the free videos. So please wait for some updates about this free KTS course. So again, thank you very much everyone. If you liked it, please press the like button if you leave, that would be great. And please subscribe and click the bell button so that you get notified when I do the next live video sessions. So I hope you have a great rest of your week this week. And until I see you next time, please stay healthy, stay safe, and stay gold. Bye for now everyone. Mata ne. Thank you very much.